This is one of my most successful sales training tips, and it involves leaving voicemail. Most people do it wrong. Most people will leave a voicemail that starts with, "Hello, Bob. This is Melanie Smith with Factories Incorporated," and then leaves their message. Not correct. The problem is when someone gets your voicemail and they hear your name and company and they don't recognize it, there's a good chance you're headed for the delete file. Instead, start with, "Hello, Bob. The reason for my call is," leave your message, and then go ahead and leave your name and number. If they're curious and they like your message, then they'll have your name and number at the end. But if they don't even get to your message, well, what's the point of leaving it? It's a little different approach, and it takes a little practice because you're used to leaving it at the beginning, but it's well worth it. One other thing, don't leave a voicemail that's longer than 20 or 22 seconds. Then they probably won't even get to your name at the end. I hope this helps you.